What would you do with an extra $1,000 a month, starting from skills you already have, with low startup cost and a clear plan? Most people think side hustles are only for talented people or people with big money to invest. That is not true. The real difference is choosing one simple idea, then staying consistent long enough to build momentum. In this video, I will share the 8 side hustle ideas that almost anyone can start. For each one, you will see what you need, how much it can cost to begin, how hard it feels at the start, and how long it realistically takes to reach $1,000 per month with steady effort. Let's get started. 1. Freelance graphic designer. Freelance graphic design is one of the fastest skill-based side hustles because businesses always need visuals. You can offer logo design, brand kits, social media posts, posters, flyers, menus, YouTube thumbnails, website banners, or event stationery. You do not need to be an artist. You need to solve simple business problems with clean design. To start, you need one design tool and a place to show your work. Canva, Kittl, or free tools work well at the beginning. If you want advanced work later, you can move to Illustrator or Photoshop. You also need a simple portfolio, even if it is just an Instagram page or a Google Drive folder. A smart way to build your portfolio is to create 10 to 15 sample designs in one niche. When your work looks consistent, clients trust you faster. Then offer 1 or 2 discounted projects in exchange for a testimonial, so you can show real results. Startup cost is usually $0 to $50. Difficulty feels medium because you need practice and feedback. Reaching $1,000 per month often takes 2 to 4 months if you share your work regularly and reach out to potential clients. To get clients, pick a niche and send helpful messages to small businesses. Offer to improve one part of their visuals. Keep it simple and respectful. If you do this consistently, results follow. 2. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant helps business owners save time by handling daily tasks. This can include email management, scheduling, customer support replies, file organization, data entry, or updating spreadsheets. Your role is to remove stress from someone else's workload. You only need a laptop, internet, and a few basic tools. Zoom for meetings, WhatsApp for communication, Google Drive for files, and Notion or Trello for organization. Start with the tasks you already do well and add more later. The easiest way to begin is to offer a clear starter package, such as inbox support and scheduling for a fixed number of hours each week. Clients like simple offers because they know exactly what they are getting. Startup cost is usually $0. Difficulty feels easy to medium depending on the tasks. Reaching $1,000 per month often takes 1 to 3 months if you network and apply daily. To find clients, join business groups, check freelancing platforms, and message small businesses that look busy and active online. Those owners feel the need for help and often hire quickly. 3. Sell online courses. Selling online courses works well because you create once and sell many times. The key is to teach a clear result, not just information. Your course can be about design, marketing, fitness, cooking, freelancing, language skills, or any topic you understand well. You need a course platform and a simple recording setup. Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi handle hosting and payments. You can also use marketplaces like Udemy or Skillshare. A smartphone, good lighting, and a basic microphone are enough to start. A strong course has a clear promise, short lessons, and practical tools like checklists and templates. These extras help students see value quickly and stay engaged. Startup cost often ranges from $50 to $500. Difficulty feels medium to hard because you need time to create and promote. Reaching $1,000 per month usually takes 2 to 6 months. If your course costs $50, you need 20 sales to reach $1,000. If it costs $100, you need 10 sales. Focus on building trust and making your offer clear. 4. YouTube content creator. YouTube is powerful because it opens many income paths. Ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and your own products can all grow from one channel. You can create videos about any topic you enjoy. To start, you need a smartphone or camera, a basic microphone, simple lighting, and an editing app. You can use free tools at first and upgrade later. YouTube feels hard at the beginning because you learn many skills at once, like speaking on camera, editing, and storytelling. Growth comes from posting, learning, and improving, not from waiting for perfection. Startup cost ranges from $0 to $500. Difficulty feels hard. Reaching $1,000 per month can take 1 to 12 months depending on how you earn. A practical plan is to choose one niche, list 30 video ideas, and upload weekly. Improve one thing every week, and results build over time. 5. Sell digital products. Digital products are items you create once and sell again and again. Templates, planners, ebooks, checklists, and trackers work well when they solve small problems fast. You need a design tool and a selling platform. Canva or Kindle work fine, and you can sell on Gumroad, Pay, Etsy, or your own site. Start with one niche and one clear product. The biggest mistake is creating products without a buyer in mind. Instead, choose your audience first, then build something that saves them time or effort. Startup cost is usually $0 to $50. Difficulty feels medium because you need creativity and basic marketing. Reaching $1,000 per month often takes 2 to 6 months. A simple goal is 50 sales at $20 or 100 sales at $10. Focus on improving one product before adding more. 6. Freelance writer. Freelance writing is a strong side hustle if you can write clearly and deliver on time. Businesses need blog posts, website pages, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions, scripts, and articles. If you also understand basic SEO, your value goes up because clients want content that gets found. What you need is a writing tool and a way to check quality. Google Docs works. Grammarly can help you polish. For SEO, you can learn basic keyword use and simple formatting that helps readability. You do not need to be perfect. You need to be clear. The best way to start is to pick one niche. Health, finance, tech, education, real estate, travel, or lifestyle. When you specialize, you write faster and you sound more confident. That helps you charge more. Also create 3 to 5 writing samples. Even if they are self-made, put them in one folder and share the link when you pitch. Startup cost ranges from $0 to $50. Difficulty feels medium because writing well takes practice and client work needs research. Reaching $1,000 per month often takes 2 to 4 months if you pitch daily and keep improving. For example, for blog posts at $250 each can hit $1,000, or 10 smaller tasks at $100 each. Your fastest growth comes from being consistent and reliable. Many writers fail because they disappear. If you deliver on time and communicate well, you become rare and clients keep you. 7. Social media manager. A social media manager helps businesses grow and stay active online. You plan content, design posts, write captions, schedule uploads, reply to comments, and track performance. Businesses want someone who understands what to post and why it works. What you need is a design tool like Canva or Kindle, and a scheduling tool like Later or Meta Business Suite. You also need a simple system for planning, like a content calendar. Most businesses do not need viral content. They need consistent content that looks professional and helps sales. To start, pick a type of client you understand. Restaurants, salons, gyms, clothing stores, dentists, real estate agents, online coaches, or local services. Then build a sample content pack for that niche. Show 9 sample posts like a mini Instagram grid. When clients see it, they understand your value quickly. Startup cost ranges from $0 to $100 depending on tools. Difficulty feels medium because you need creativity and awareness of trends. Reaching $1,000 per month often takes 2 to 4 months. For example, 2 clients at $500 each, or 4 clients at $250 each. The key is to focus on results that matter to the business. More calls, more messages, more bookings, more foot traffic. When you talk like that, you sound professional and clients take you seriously. 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you earn commissions by recommending products or services through content. This can be through YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, a blog, or email. The rule is simple. Recommend things you truly believe in and that match your audience. Trust is everything. If you push random products, people stop listening. What you need is a niche, a platform, and consistent content. You pick an audience you want to serve, then you share helpful content that solve their problems. Inside that content, you naturally recommend tools that help. For example, if your niche is digital products, you might recommend design tools. If your niche is fitness, you might recommend a training program or equipment. Startup cost is usually $0, not counting products you already use. Difficulty feels hard because you need time to build an audience and learn content strategy. Reaching $1,000 per month often takes 5 to 6 months, sometimes longer, depending on audience size, trust, and commission rates. A smart approach is to start with low-effort content types. Tutorials, reviews, comparison videos, and how to post convert well because viewers already want a solution. Also track what content gets clicks and adjust. Affiliate income grows when you learn what your audience actually buys, not what you think they will buy. Now you have 8 side hustle ideas, each with a clear starting point and realistic expectations. The biggest mistake is trying to do too many at once. Pick one idea that fits your skills and time, and commit for 90 days. If this video helped you, like it so more people can see it. Share it with a friend who wants to increase income. Subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical money content, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.